Pretty killer. I'm just looking for stuff, guys. All I'm doing here. Kind of weird how that crater right center of the screen, how it has a little crater right on the edge with a huge ass shadow projecting. Not quite. Oh. And this thing, what in the fuck? I gotta find out what that is. Moon is literally straight up above me right now. Oh, something weird at the top of that little crater right there, center of the screen, just off left of the center of the screen. I can see a little line across the top. Kind of goes through the shadow. And look at this bad boy here. Oh my god. That is awesome. Of course, I've already pointed out this bright circle here right on the Terminator. Very odd looking. Play-Doh again. Should be able to take a pretty good look at Play-Doh with the pictures I can get of it tonight. Capture. Oh, I don't have the voice on. That? I don't know. Thought that might have been Gasindi, but it's not. I just had a bug crawl on my screen. I thought it was something flying, but it was not. center of the screen. Definitely want to look in the north end of that crater. God, I may have just saw something shoot across the screen 535. But I got a bunch of gnats flying around. This area has always been one of my favorites. Go back down. You gotta let him look at flipping Clavius. Come on now. There she be. A lot of weird stuff in there, guys. Man, I can't wait to look in there. It's hard to like really study it when trying to take video. Three symmetrical white dots right in a flippin' row just off 7 o'clock in the bottom of that crater. Man, I gotta go back through this area here. This is just too much not to look at. I'm going to take this to 10 minutes, then I'm going to go inside and upload a couple of these videos, charge my phone up, and then I'll come back out and shoot some more before she's down. God, I love that. I love that crater. God dang, man. The north end of the crater wall is fucking disgusting. The southeast crater wall is ridiculous. And how those four craters hit, those four, like from small to bigger to bigger to bigger, hit perfectly in that arch in the center of that crater, I will never comprehend. The odds of that are astronomical, to say the least. Astronomical for that to have happened. Just look at it. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. And the symmetrical lines here at 7 o'clock in and out of that crater, stupid. Look at the symmetrical lines there. My God. And I gotta go check on my kids. We're all a little stir crazy right now from this. Oh, I just heard her yell. Ooh, pretty cool little white egg looking object just below center there. White as hell. Got some cool stuff to look at. 9:50, guys. I'm going to give it a break for a little bit. Let the moon move around. Get a little different light on it. And I'll come back out and shoot some more.